My name is Jamie Hickton, and I am one of the associate attorneys at DeRiso, Shore, and Jeffries. I recently joined the firm as a former prosecutor from the Allegheny County District Attorney's Office. I was there for approximately 5 years, and primarily I handled cases of child abuse, which means cases of physical and sexual abuse perpetrated by an adult on a child. And I, prior to that, handled juvenile matters, which included basically every type of crime that was committed or alleged to have been committed by a juvenile for prosecution. I have a pretty extensive background. I've been in this particular area of the law for a substantial amount of time, both as a prosecutor, but prior to that, I was actually a judicial law clerk for a common pleas judge in Westmoreland County. And I did that for a little while after graduating law school. And while I was in law school, I was actually a juvenile probation officer in Westmoreland County. My entire professional career before joining the firm here has been in public service, and I think that at this point in my career, I wanted to really understand the defense side of the criminal justice system, because that was the only side of the system that I had not intimately worked within. So joining this firm has given me the opportunity to not only expand professionally to truly understand every aspect of the criminal justice system, but also to continue representing people who very much need competent representation by someone who understands the system in its entirety. That's why I'm very excited to be here, because I get to continue advocating for individuals who, more often than not, encounter themselves in situations that they never anticipated, and oftentimes are the hardest times of their lives. So that's very important to me, to be able to do that for individuals, and I'm very excited to do that as a defense attorney. In addition to practicing criminal law here at the firm, I also practice family law. And based on my experience as a prior juvenile probation officer and as a judicial law clerk, I intimately worked with essentially every aspect of that system as well, whether it was the dependency system where children, youth, and families involves themselves for various reasons in people's lives, or whether it was through the child custody system or the child support system, and the collateral way within which they impact each other. As a family law attorney now, I get to continue to utilize the advocacy skills that I've honed over the years of my professional service to advocate for families and to advocate for parents who, again, find themselves oftentimes in the hardest situation that they've ever encountered in their life. And all that they really need and all that they are looking for is someone who understands that, but also understands the law in a way that helps them navigate the system to achieve the goals that they set for themselves. It's a very rewarding position to be able to help individuals in that capacity, and I'm very excited to be able to practice family law here at the firm.